Imagine making money while you sleep, earning a steady income from anywhere in the world with your laptop and an internet connection. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's absolutely possible and doable. Let me introduce you to affiliate marketing, the ultimate way to build a passive income stream. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get straight into the video. So what is affiliate marketing? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a business model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. When someone buys a product through your unique affiliate link, you get paid. Think of it as being a middleman who connects buyers to products. Affiliate marketing has exploded over the years because it requires little to no upfront investment. Plus, you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. You're just sharing links to products that you genuinely love and believe in. Now, you might be wondering, why affiliate marketing? Why is affiliate marketing the perfect online business? Why not just sell your products or start a traditional business? Here are 5 reasons why affiliate marketing is the perfect online business model for you to start today. Reason number 1, low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses, affiliate marketing requires minimal investment. You don't need to develop a product or handle logistics. You don't have no customer service to deal with or to stock any inventory. All you need is a website, a blog, or a social media platform, and a few tools to get started. Reason number 2, flexibility. Affiliate marketing allows you to generate passive income anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a college student, or someone who works a 9-to-5 job, this business model fits anyone's lifestyle who's willing to implement and take action. Reason number 3, scalability. Once you set up your affiliate links, they can work for you 24/7. Now your main focus should be driving traffic to your links, whether by SEO, free or paid traffic. Your potential earnings grow as your audience grows. This makes it one of the most scalable online business models ever. Reason number 4, unlimited earning potential. With affiliate marketing, there's no cap on how much you can earn. The more traffic and conversions you generate, the more money you make. Unlike a traditional job with a fixed salary, your income in affiliate marketing grows as your efforts scale. Whether you're earning a few extra $100 a month or building a 6-figure income, the possibilities are endless. Reason number 5, leverage existing trends and demand. Affiliate marketing allows you to tap into products and services that are already popular. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, just align yourself with trending or evergreen niches like technology, health, or personal finance. Companies spend billions on product development and advertising, so you get to piggyback off their efforts by simply recommending their products to the right audience. Now that you're excited about generating passive income and making money online, let's talk about how you can get started today. Here are 5 critical steps that you need to take to launch a successful affiliate marketing business. Step number 1, choose your niche. The first step to affiliate marketing is to pick a niche. This will be a specific topic or industry you'll be focusing on. For example, fitness, technology, beauty, make money online, or personal finance. Choose something you're passionate about or have knowledge of, because this will make creating content so much easier. Step number 2, research affiliate programs. After choosing your niche, next, you want to find affiliate products in your niche. Some popular platforms to find products includes Amazon Associates, Digistore24, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Many companies also have affiliate programs. Just search for company name plus affiliate program to find them. And the good news is, most affiliate marketing programs are free to join. Step number 3, build your platform. You'll need a platform to promote your affiliate links. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, Instagram account, TikTok, or even a podcast. Choose the platform that aligns with your strengths. If you love writing, start a blog. If you're great on camera, YouTube might be your thing. If you love to talk, start a podcast. Bottom line, you need to promote your affiliate links on your favorite platform or platforms. Step number 4, create valuable content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. You need to create content that provides value to your audience. This could be product reviews, tutorials, comparison videos, or listicles. For example, if your niche is fitness, you might create a video, blog, or podcast titled Top 5 Fitness Gadgets to Improve Your Workouts. Step number 5, optimize for SEO and visibility. To drive traffic to your content, you'll need to master search engine optimization, SEO, if you have a website or a blog. The key is to use relevant keywords when creating your content. Create eye-catching thumbnails for a higher click-through rate if you're creating content on YouTube. And share your content regularly on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Step number 6, add affiliate links. Finally, add your affiliate links to your content. Be transparent and disclose that they're affiliate links. This builds trust with your audience and complies with legal requirements. If you have a website or blog, make sure your links are active within your content. If you're on YouTube, place your affiliate links in your descriptions. And if you have a podcast, repeat your affiliate link to your audience at least 3 times so that they get it. Now that you know the basics, let's talk about some advanced tips to level up your affiliate marketing game. Tip 1. Build an email list. An email list is one of the most powerful tools for affiliate marketers. Unlike social media platforms where algorithms control your reach, an email list gives you direct access to your audience. Use email marketing to share valuable content, product recommendations, and exclusive deals. Tip 2. Focus on building trust. By nurturing trust through consistent and helpful communication, you'll increase your conversion rates and create a loyal audience that keeps coming back for your recommendations. Trust is everything in affiliate marketing. Only promote products you truly believe in. Your audience can tell if you're being genuine, and they're more likely to buy if they trust you. Tip 3. Diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Promote products from multiple affiliate programs and explore different niches. This protects you if one product or program stops performing well, you'll still have some income coming in. Tip 4. Track your performance. Use analytics tools to track how your affiliate links are performing. This helps you identify which products and content types resonate with your audience. It also tracks which product or products produce the most sales. Tip 5. Keep learning. The digital landscape is always changing. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies in affiliate marketing. Join forums, watch tutorials, and network with other marketers. Before we get into some common mistakes to avoid, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get back to the video. Let's quickly cover some common mistakes that beginner affiliate marketers make and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, spamming links everywhere. Don't just drop your affiliate links all over the internet. This comes across as spammy and can hurt your reputation. Focus on providing value instead. Mistake number 2, ignoring your audience's needs. Understand your audience's pain points and recommend products that genuinely solve their problems. Mistake number 3, giving up too soon. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build an audience and see results. The key is to stay consistent and be patient. Mistake number 4, focusing only on high-commission products. It's tempting to promote products with the highest payouts, but this can backfire if the products don't align with your audience's needs or are of poor quality. Always prioritize products that offer value and solve your audience's problems, even if the commission is lower. This builds trust and leads to long-term success. Mistake number 5, neglecting mobile optimization. In today's world, most people browse the internet on their phones. If your website or content isn't mobile-friendly, you're missing out on a huge audience. Make sure your site is responsive, fast, and easy to navigate on all devices to maximize clicks and conversions. Still not convinced? Let me share a few real-life success stories to inspire you. Take Michelle from Making Sense of Sense. She earns over $50,000 a month through affiliate marketing by promoting financial tools and products. Or Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income, who made 6 figures by recommending tools he uses for his online business. Before we wrap up, here are some tools and resources to help you kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. 1. A website builder. Platforms like WordPress and Wix are great for creating your blog or website. 2. Email marketing tools. Build an email list with tools like GetResponse or MailChimp. Your email list is one of your most valuable assets. 3. Analytics tools. Track your performance with tools like Google Analytics or affiliate dashboards provided by programs. 4. Online courses. If you want to dive deeper, consider taking an online course on affiliate marketing from platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Now it's your turn. Start your affiliate marketing journey today. Pick your niche, find a program, and start creating content. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and effort, you can achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, smash that like button, and share it with your friends. For more Make Money Online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video and I'll see you there.